Hello everyone, and welcome to today's guide on understanding the home selling process. Whether you're a seasoned homeowner or selling your first property, navigating the intricacies of selling a home can feel overwhelming. I'm Carla Ng, your friendly neighborhood realtor, here to break it down step by step to simplify the journey and ensure a successful sale. Step 1. Prepare your home. To attract potential buyers, it's crucial to enhance your property's appeal. So get your Marie Kondo on and declutter like it's the ultimate home makeover show. Remember, less mess equals more yes. Step 2, set the right price. Let's play a game of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Not too high, not too low, but just right. We'll find that sweet spot together because pricing your home correctly is key to attracting the right buyers. Conduct thorough market research and determine a competitive yet realistic listing price. Step 3, paperwork and documentation. It's time to tackle the paperwork monster, but fear not, as I'll be your superhero guide through the maze of legal jargon. From disclosures to contracts, the home selling process involves various legal documents. Familiarize yourself with the required paperwork and I'll guide you through to ensure compliance with all regulations. Step 4, marketing your home. Lights, camera, action. Let's make sure your home is the star of the show. Get ready for some serious oohs and ahs from potential buyers. My team and I utilize a comprehensive marketing strategy to reach a wide pool of potential buyers. High quality photography, virtual tours, and engaging the listing descriptions can significantly enhance your property's online visibility. Step 5, home inspections and appraisals. In the Bay Area, sellers typically pay for home inspections upfront and provide the results to potential buyers before accepting an offer. This approach is due to the competitive nature of this market, where sellers often expect non-contingent offers from buyers. Be prepared for thorough home inspections and appraisals. Address any issues that arise and consider making necessary improvements to increase your home's value and appeal. Step 6, negotiation and closing. Let the negotiation dance begin and we'll boogie our way to a fantastic deal. Skillful negotiation is crucial to closing the deal successfully. Understand your priorities and be prepared to navigate potential offers, counteroffers, and contingencies with confidence. Step 7, closing the deal. Drum roll, please. It's the moment you've been waiting for, the final countdown to that sold sign. Pop the bubbly and celebrate like there's no tomorrow. The final stage involves the transfer of ownership. Ensure a smooth closing process by carefully reviewing all documents, addressing any last-minute concerns, and celebrating a successful transaction. I hope this comprehensive guide has provided you with clear understanding of the home selling process. Remember, I'm here to make this ride as smooth and exciting as possible. Reach out anytime and let's make your home selling dreams a reality.